What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the Brandon Coin YouTube channel. And today we have a new build. This is going to be a ultra budget build. A friend of a friend referred to me wants a gaming computer, and they said their budget is really around $300 to $400. And I'm like, yeah, it's getting a little tough. Getting a little tough in that price point right there. Basically, pretty much any pre-built you're going to buy isn't going to have a graphics card in it. It's going to be some kind of APU, which some of them aren't bad, but 9 times out of 10, a dedicated GPU will still stomp it. So let's take a walk back into the workshop and see what we got. So I think I might have to end up buying him or getting a different motherboard and CPU combination. Mine are a little bit probably out of his price range, but I think I do have a GPU for him. All right, so these are all pretty much like anywhere from 3800s, 3900s, and then I think I have like some RX 5900s, which that's all going to be out of the price range of, you know, $300-400. But I do have a lot of DDR3 RAM, like a lot of DDR3 RAM. This is DDR4 RAM, and then I do have some 570s. So like there's a 570. I got a bunch of 570s up there, and I could definitely slap them together. You know, maybe like an i5 570. Let's go do some price shopping and see what kind of what generation. I'd like to at least still have them on a quad core at the very least. So quad core i5. You know, slap like 16 gigs of DDR3 in that bad boy. Just a little decent, modest case, and go from there. This computer, actually, somebody put a deposit on it, and they have not come and actually paid for it. But they said they're coming finally right tomorrow or today. Today's the day before Thanksgiving. They're coming to pick it up, and I feel bad because like I took the money for the deposit, but I've really been wanting to get this computer out of here. So yeah, oh well, so be it. But these 512 gig SSDs are still on sale. I'll show you those here in a second. They're like, I think it was like $19 for a 512 gig. Hard to beat for the money. But yep, let's go upstairs and get a parts list together. All right, guys, so I've done some digging, and it looks like these are a pretty decent kit for the money. Comes with the Intel i5 6600K, little motherboard, nothing special there. It actually has Wi-Fi built onto it, so that's kind of cool. It comes with an 8 gig. It's 2 4 gig sticks. This is actually DDR4, and it comes with a 128 gig SSD. Mini ITX gaming motherboard, but $159. They have tons of them, more than 10 available. I was just looking performance wise, and it looks like the 6600K is about on par with a Ryzen 5 2600X on everything 1 2 3 4 core wise, but it just falls flat when it comes to the 8 core or the, you know, the multi-threaded benchmark. So for gaming, 4 cores, 4 threads, this should be plenty for him. He's not looking to get into streaming or anything like that. And I mean, what can you ask for from a $300 to $400, you know, computer? Now this is $149. Now we will need a case to put it in, and here's one for $49. Wham bam, thank you ma'am. So that puts us up to $200 there. I'm gonna value my 570 at about $75, so we're at $275. Here's the SSD. It actually has a coupon right now, so that'll make it about $25. So we're knocking on $300 right there, and we still need our power supply. I have a bunch of power supplies down there in the bottom. I'm gonna probably throw that in for, we'll make it $40, so we're looking at $340. And you know, with my build fee, we'll make it an even $400 for him. And this should be a pretty decent performing computer. I am gonna put together an ultra budget computer next. Somebody's trying to build something for $200. It is possible. You're not gonna get the greatest performance out of it, but this should at least be able to play modern games. He ain't gonna be able to play them on the craziest, highest settings, but he can at least play them. A lot of people don't give the RX 570 its credit where credit's due. Those cards are still fairly capable at 720 and even 1080p on a lot of games nowadays. So the only thing that I will probably have to change out is I might have to stick an 8 gig stick in one side, or sorry, 2 8 gig sticks in this thing, because these 4 gig sticks are going to hold it back. And being that it only has 2 DIMM slots, that is unfortunate. But yeah, it's wham bam, thank you ma'am. Hold on, let me flip this. There we go. So it is much later than what I started today. I'm super tired, man. My eyes look super baggy. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put the order in for all this stuff. If you have any recommendations, drop them down below. But yeah, I think this is good. I'm feeling it. So there you guys, peace out. Hopefully you enjoy this kind of thing. I always like scouring and finding deals and stuff, and who knows, there might be a better deal, and I'd love to hear it. Drop it down below also. Yeah.